Okay, so when I say there's more, that actually is a code. And what I mean by that is that there's actually less, meaning that you can actually even shorten the event listener to a shorthand version. That's a very. So check this out. In the original here, I've got the selector on, and then I use click function like this. But I can actually shorten that quite a bit, and I can say this instead. Dot click function. That's it. So same thing. When I click it, it works just the way it's supposed to, and I can do anything I want to with that, and it responds to any of the major event handling or the event listening functions are just shorthanded like that. So that's a really easy way to access those instead of using on and then the older vernacular of passing that as a attribute or an argument, sorry, to that function. We actually are creating wrapper functions for click, for hover, for all of the other different event listeners.